Directive Number 7, Preservation of Alien Ecosystems and Lifeforms. Issued by Mission Command Authority. Objective: ensure the protection, conservation, and ethical treatment of alien ecosystems and lifeforms encountered during interstellar exploration. Directive Number 7 outlines guidelines for preventing ecological disruption, maintaining biodiversity, and respecting the intrinsic value of extraterrestrial life. Overview: as humanity ventures into unknown regions of space, the potential to encounter diverse ecosystems and lifeforms is immense. Directive Number 7 establishes protocols for minimizing interference, avoiding contamination, and ensuring that exploration aligns with ethical and scientific principles. It emphasizes coexistence, respect, and responsibility, prioritizing the preservation of the natural order on extraterrestrial worlds. 1. Guiding principles. Non-interference. Observe and study alien ecosystems without disrupting their natural processes. Conservation first. Treat extraterrestrial life with the same respect afforded to Earth's biodiversity. Precautionary measures. Take proactive steps to prevent contamination or ecological harm. Ethical exploration. Recognize alien lifeforms, whether simple or complex, as having intrinsic value. 2. Pre-mission preparations. A. Crew training. Educate mission members on alien ecology, xenobiology, and environmental ethics. Conduct simulations to practice non-invasive observation and data collection. B. Equipment sterilization. Sterilize all exploration tools, suits, and vehicles to prevent cross-contamination. Implement quarantine measures for any samples collected from alien worlds. C. Planetary assessment protocols. Use advanced scanning technologies to evaluate planetary ecosystems remotely before physical contact. Identify potential risks to both the planet and the crew, such as biological hazards or fragile habitats. 3. Protocols for interaction with ecosystems. A. Landings and settlements. Select landing sites with minimal ecological impact, avoiding sensitive or densely populated areas. Limit the use of vehicles or equipment that could disrupt local flora and fauna. B. Observation and study. Prioritize remote sensing and observation over physical interaction. When collecting samples, take only what is necessary, ensuring minimal disturbance. C. Waste management. Dispose of all waste in a controlled and secure manner to avoid polluting alien environments. Utilize self-contained systems to prevent accidental release of Earth-origin materials. D. Biocontainment measures. Isolate and secure all alien materials or lifeforms brought aboard for study. Maintain strict quarantine protocols to prevent the spread of alien pathogens. 4. Protocols for interaction with alien lifeforms. A. Non-sentient lifeforms. Handle all non-sentient life with care and minimal disturbance. Document behavior, physiology, and habitat through non-invasive methods. B. Sentient lifeforms. Avoid contact unless absolutely necessary and only after careful risk assessment. Respect cultural, social, and biological boundaries of intelligent alien species. Communicate with Mission Command for guidance before initiating any interaction. C. Handling emergencies involving alien life. If unintentional harm occurs, take steps to mitigate damage and restore the environment where possible. Document all interactions thoroughly to aid in future ethical considerations. 5. Scientific exploration and preservation. A. Data collection. Use non-invasive technology, such as drones and spectrometers, to gather data. Create detailed records of ecosystems and lifeforms to contribute to humanity's understanding of alien worlds. B. Genetic and environmental sampling. Perform genetic sampling with micro-scale precision to avoid harming organisms. Use controlled methods to analyze soil, water, and atmospheric samples. C. Preservation of biodiversity. Identify endangered or fragile species and take extra precautions to avoid disturbing their habitats. Advocate for the preservation of unique planetary features that are critical to the ecosystem. 6. Contamination prevention. A. Forward contamination. Prevent the introduction of Earth-origin microbes or materials to alien ecosystems. Utilize sterilization procedures for all equipment and personnel before and after planetary exploration. B. Backward contamination. Securely contain all materials and lifeforms brought back to the ship or Earth. Establish containment zones for studying alien samples to avoid accidental release. 7. Ethical considerations. Intrinsic value of life. Recognize that all forms of life, regardless of their level of complexity, hold intrinsic value. Stewardship responsibility. Embrace humanity's role as stewards of the galaxy, ensuring that exploration promotes coexistence rather than exploitation. Cultural sensitivity. Respect the autonomy and heritage of sentient civilizations, avoiding actions that could disrupt their way of life. 8. Emergency protocols. Planetary retreat. In the event of an ecological crisis caused by human presence, evacuate and initiate restoration efforts. Containment breach. If alien materials contaminate the ship, follow biocontainment protocols to neutralize the threat. Conflict resolution. If disputes arise with sentient species, prioritize diplomatic solutions over force. 9. Long-term preservation goals. Collaborative research. Share findings with other missions to enhance collective knowledge and improve future preservation efforts. Ecological restoration. Develop techniques to restore ecosystems inadvertently affected by human activity. Intergalactic conservation. Advocate for the establishment of protected zones on planets with significant ecological or cultural value. 10. Communication with Mission Command. Maintain open communication with Mission Command for guidance on ethical dilemmas and unforeseen challenges. Submit regular reports detailing observations, findings, and steps taken to preserve alien ecosystems. Conclusion. Directive Number 7 reinforces humanity's commitment to ethical and sustainable exploration. By preserving the natural order of alien worlds, we honor the beauty and diversity of the universe while securing a legacy of responsible exploration for future generations. To explore without harm is to respect the universe that made us. Signed, Dr. Ong Der EDF. Mission Command Authority Date, 2021.